Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is sole tip application with acrylic over there. What is inside? We need one trash bag, small trash bag, and some low cotton pad and nail tip. One towel and monomer liquid and monomer powder, one primer, one dehydrator, and one brush, one tip of cutter, abrasive fire, one buffer, cuticle oil, cuticle pusher, and one paper, and one zero bag. Put some brush, dehydrator, primer, monomer liquid, monomer powder, and cuticle oil, tip cutter, buffer, abrasive tape, cuticle pusher, and one bag, towel, and we put some together. And don't forget the glue. This is very important. We need to stick the nail. See you next video.